But yeah, I've received a bunch of feedback from folks on why they haven't started racing yet. There's really 4 different areas that I've heard. First one is I'm too old. Well, let me tell you, that's couldn't be further from the truth these days. As long as you're in relatively good health, you're able to get out of the car in the required time, which is usually 15 seconds, wearing full gear, you can still go racing. In fact, a friend of mine is in his 70s and is racing high-speed go-karts right now. The carts will do over 80 miles an hour, and he's still out there. So age isn't an excuse. So another reason that I hear a lot is the cost of it. Well, if you go all in, kind of like I have, and here I am, I'm working in a lit and insulated trailer that's heated, and I have a car, and we have an RV that we stay in. Yeah, sure, that's expensive when you put all that together. But the funny thing is that after 30 years of doing racing, I found a way to do it really cheaply. So it really is not all this. In fact, all this is bonus. If I wanted to go racing, I could do it cheaper than playing golf. And that's not an exaggeration. If you can afford to play golf, you can afford to go motorsport racing, or go auto racing, do wheel-to-wheel stuff. The only difference is you need bigger balls. So yeah, that's not an excuse. So if you are interested in finding out how to do it cheaply, please go to my website. Putting out a course this year. Get signed up so you're able to join that course, and I will tell you exactly how to do it. But depending on what you want to do, there are really inexpensive ways to go do motorsport. It's just you need to know what they are and how to get involved. Again, if you're interested in that, please go to my website. You find down in the description below, and I'll show you how. Off kilter. Anyway, so we covered age and money. The other big one that I thought was kind of interesting that I never would have thought that this would be a reason not to race is time. And I get that. Time can be a real pain in the butt. I struggle with time as well. But again, depending on how you do it, it takes a lot less time than you think. If you can afford to get away for a weekend, you can easily do motorsport, even if it's just for the one weekend. If you can afford that time, then again, not really an excuse. Or the other reason that I've gotten feedback on why people haven't started motorsport is just not knowing how. That part I can help you with, definitely. So again, go to my website, sign up for the course. I'll tell you everything that I know after 30 years of doing motorsport in all different types of cars and series and types of racing, and I will tell you everything that I know. So please, if you're interested in doing that, go to the website down in the description and sign up for the course. If you like what you see here, please support me on Patreon. It really helps. And also, please like and subscribe for more content, and hope to see you on the track.